Alright, so for all of those who are questioning about the sharing option for PlayStation Plus, people who are saying it is patched, it's not working anymore, this is basically a video to all of you folks out there who are still struggling to sharing PS Plus with a family member. And if you want to know the tutorial on how to set it up, I will put a link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. I've made like 5 different videos going through how to set it up. I've made a Q&A video that it works, etc. I'm gonna put 2 videos in the description box down below for you guys to check it out to set it up on how to share PS Plus membership with a family member. And to show that it is not patched, so I don't know where I saw the comment, but apparently Sony found out about it and deleted the ability to make it so you cannot share PS Plus anymore. I found it somewhere. Sorry, I was just like, huh? Sony deleted the ability for you to share the PS Plus membership with your family member? Like, huh? I'm gonna show it. It's 2021. It is the 25th of February. It is the 25th February of 2021. Okay. Focus. So this is my main account. It has the focus. It has the PS Plus sign, alright? Oh. Go up. There you go. It has the PS Plus sign, alright? This has a paid PS Plus subscription. Now, I would like to go and change my user or switch user. I'm gonna go on my YouTube account, which does not have the PS Plus sign. Go in there. I won't edit anything so you guys can watch. It's gonna be a long video, I'm sorry. Holy shit, a lot of update. Yo, I cannot show you guys because all the notifications are there. Come on, go away. Did I push anything? Okay, to prove that I'm not editing. Oh, there we go, see? The PS Plus sign is not there. Redrix YouTube. So I don't have a paid subscription. Remember, if you want to know how to set it up, I will put a link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out on how to set it up. There's a tutorial, alright? But just to show you guys, it's still working. Go on Tekken 7. Okay. I will not edit anything. I won't cut. I would just probably speed it up so you guys won't have to wait and watch. It's still there. Alright, there we go. Pressing start to go in the game. Alright, let me just focus a bit. There, now you can clearly see the screen. Or you know, I don't think I even have to show you on the PS4, do I? Because it's gonna take a long video. As soon as it works on the PS5, man, let me know if I should do it on the PS4 as well, man. Because I just got home from my job and I'm quite tired, but I want to make the video. So, there we go. Online. Do you see it? Online. Alright? Let's go online. Oh, you can still see it is with the Redrix YouTube account. Not the Redrix TV, Redrix YouTube account. Let me just focus. Online. Alright. I pressed X. We are in. I can play quick match. Begin to search. Yeah. And I can basically now choose a character. And my main is, of course, Xiao Yu. And there you go, guys. me just... Oh! It is not patched. Sony did not do anything to ruin... Oh, we got an opponent, but I'm not gonna play. It is working still. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if it works. Let me know if you want to see me do this on the PS4 as well. It doesn't make a difference if it works on the PS4 or PS5. It's basically the same thing. And again, if you want to know how to do it, there's a tutorial in my description. There's a link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. And hey, I stream 4 times a week as a part-time streamer, so go ahead and check me out on Twitch. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.